China is an East Asian country with one of the world's oldest civilizations, and the world's second most populous country, with approximately 1.4 billion people. China is the world's largest manufacturer in terms of output, earning the reputation of the world's factory. The Chinese economy thrives as a manufacturing powerhouse, and the country's products appear to be everywhere. The majority of tags, labels, and stickers, on a wide range of goods around the world state, "Made in China." Because of this, consumers might wonder, why is everything made in China? Why is China considered the world's factory? China's supply chain dominance is unparalleled, with the ability to produce anything from low-cost to high-end products. Aside from low labor costs, China's strong business ecosystem, low taxes and duties, and competitive currency practices have increased its competitiveness. Each of these key factors is briefly discussed here. Starting off with number 1, business ecosystem. Industrial production does not occur in isolation, but is supported by a network of organizations that include suppliers, distributors, component manufacturers, government agencies, and customers. The Chinese business ecosystem has changed dramatically over the last 30 years. The government established special economic zones in 4 different regions to attract more foreign business, including Shenzhen, a city bordering Hong Kong in the southeast, that has evolved into a hub for leading technology, businesses, and trading companies. It has developed an ecosystem to support the manufacturing supply chain, which includes component manufacturers, low-cost labor, a technical workforce, assembly suppliers, and customers. Number 2, duties and taxes. Another important factor was China's 1985 export tax rebate. As a means of increasing the competitiveness of its exports, it effectively abolished double taxation on exported goods. Furthermore, Chinese consumer goods were exempt from any import taxes. These lower tax rates helped to keep production costs low, allowing the country to attract investors and companies looking to produce low-cost goods. Number 3, currency and wages. The Chinese yuan, unlike other major currencies such as the dollar and the pound, does not trade freely. As a result, the impact on trade is that Chinese exports are significantly cheaper, and thus more appealing when compared to those of other countries. China ensures its economic prosperity by encouraging the global marketplace to buy its goods. Because of China's large labor force, the supply of factory workers exceeds the demand for work, so wages remain low. However, this appears to be changing, as the minimum wage, which varies by region, has gradually increased over the last decade. China has the world's second largest economy, and many favorable conditions that support it. However, China will remain the world factory for some time due to its low production costs, large labor pool, vast talent base, and business ecosystem.